I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls, cause I'm...
Hey, modification enthusiasts. Welcome back to Steel and Style Garage Channel, where we push the boundaries of automotive customization. Today, we're diving deep into the world of McLaren 570S modifications. Trust me, you don't want to skip this video, because we've saved 3 absolutely mind-blowing custom builds for the end that will leave you speechless. The 570S may be McLaren's entry-level supercar, but there's nothing entry-level about its modification potential with that twin-turbo V8 and lightweight carbon fiber chassis serving as the perfect canvas for our artistic automotive visions. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and drop a comment below telling us which McLaren mod is your favorite. Before we jump into these incredible builds, let me know in the comments if you've ever seen a modified McLaren in person. They're rare beasts indeed. The 570S starts with 562 horsepower and stunning looks straight from the factory, but today, we'll show you how the right modifications can transform this British supercar into something truly extraordinary. From subtle enhancements to complete transformations, we'll cover every style imaginable. Now let's dive into our first modification. Style that might surprise you. The fusion of JDM stance culture with McLaren's precision engineering creates a uniquely striking combination that turns heads at every meet. Imagine your 570S slammed to the ground on air suspension, allowing you to cruise at an aggressive stance, and then lift when needed for those pesky speed bumps or driveways. The centerpiece of this build is a set of deep dish Volk Racing TE37 wheels in bronze or white, with aggressive negative camber and wide stretch tires that create that distinctive JDM silhouette while maintaining enough grip for the McLarens. Immense power. Complete the transformation with a subtle carbon fiber body kit featuring a pronounced front splitter, side skirts, and a GT wing that pays homage to iconic Japanese tuner cars. What's your take on mixing these two distinct automotive cultures? Have you ever seen a supercar with JDM influence, or would you consider this approach for your own build? The interior continues the theme with Recaro bucket seats wrapped in Alcantara with contrast stitching, a custom titanium shift knob, and carbon fiber trim pieces throughout. For the exhaust, nothing but a custom titanium system with adjustable valves would do justice to that twin-turbo V8, creating a sound that combines McLaren's distinctive howl with the aggressive notes you'd expect from a Skyline GTR or Toyota Supra. This unlikely marriage of British precision and Japanese styling philosophy creates something truly unique in the supercar world. Transforming a McLaren 570S with American muscle car aesthetics creates a fascinating cultural collision that combines raw power with European finesse. Picture your 570S with a muscular wide-body kit featuring aggressive fender flares, hood scoops, and a prominent rear ducktail spoiler reminiscent of classic Mustangs or Camaros. The suspension receives a performance-oriented adjustment that maintains handling while giving the car a slightly nose-down stance, paired with wide multi-piece forged wheels, 20 front, 21 rear, wrapped in meaty performance tires that fill those extended arches perfectly. The finishing touch comes from a custom paint job in classic muscle car colors. Think plum crazy purple, grabber blue, or burnt orange with twin racing stripes running the length of the car. The muscle inspiration continues under the hood with an engine bay makeover featuring polished components, custom valve covers, and a supercharger upgrade instead of the factory twin turbos. Sacrilege to some, but producing an additional 150+ horsepower and that distinctive supercharger whine that makes muscle cars so orally satisfying. The interior gets diamond-stitched leather seats in a contrasting color, a custom shifter resembling classic muscle car designs, and retro-styled gauges that somehow work perfectly with the McLaren's modern cockpit. The result is a supercar that commands attention with its unique blend of American attitude and British engineering precision. The European tuning approach to the McLaren 570S emphasizes clean, sophisticated aesthetics combined with substantial performance enhancements that honor the car's Continental heritage. This style begins with a subtle yet purposeful body kit. From renowned European tuners like Novatec or Vorsteiner, adding front canards, side skirt extensions, and a fixed rear wing that improves downforce without looking ostentatious. The signature elements include forged monoblock wheels in a technical multi-spoke design paired with a lowered suspension setup using programmable coilovers that provide that perfect stance while maintaining the McLaren's handling characteristics. A ceramic coating in a subtle metallic hue, think gunmetal gray, midnight blue, or anthracite, completes the exterior with a depth and richness that changes character under different lighting conditions. The Euro tuning philosophy truly shines in the performance upgrades, with ECU remapping pushing output to over 650 horsepower while improving throttle response and torque delivery throughout the rev range. The interior receives tasteful upgrades, including reupholstered seats in premium Napa leather with contrast stitching, carbon fiber trim with colored accents matching the exterior, and a custom steering wheel with enhanced grips and shift paddles. The audio system gets a complete overhaul featuring high-end European components from brands like Focal or Burmester, creating concert hall sound quality without compromising the car's weight distribution. This approach creates a McLaren that feels more exclusive and personalized while remaining true to its European performance heritage, sophisticated yet undeniably potent. The VIP treatment transforms the already premium McLaren 570S into an ultra-luxury masterpiece that emphasizes opulence and exclusivity above all else. The exterior receives a complete respray in a premium finish. Think color-shifting chroma flare, paint, satin metallic wraps, or even a hand-polished bare carbon fiber body showing the intricate weave patterns beneath a protective clear coat. Custom-forged wheels with a deep concave profile feature polished lips and centers that can be color-matched to accent pieces on the car, while the suspension is adjusted to provide cloud-like comfort without sacrificing the handling that makes a McLaren special. The finishing touches include subtle pinstriping, custom badges, and perhaps even 24K gold-plated exhaust tips that announce this isn't just any McLaren. The interior transformation truly defines the VIP approach, with every surface reimagined using only the finest materials available. The seats are reupholstered in hand-stitched leather from Italian tanneries. The headliner becomes Alcantara, with a custom starlight feature similar to Rolls-Royce, while all plastic surfaces are replaced with carbon fiber, premium wood veneers, or metal components. Technology upgrades include a custom infotainment system with expanded capabilities, enhanced sound dampening for a quieter cabin, and a bespoke fragrance diffusion system that fills the interior with a signature scent. This approach creates a 570S that transcends its factory specification to become a truly personal statement of luxury. A supercar that whispers rather than shouts, yet remains unmistakably special. When budget constraints disappear, the McLaren 570S can be transformed into something truly otherworldly that pushes the boundaries of automotive customization. Imagine a complete carbon fiber wide-body conversion with active aerodynamics, including a hydraulically actuated rear wing, underbody diffuser, and front splitter that automatically adjust for optimum downforce at any speed. The powertrain receives a comprehensive rebuild featuring larger twin turbos, forged internals, a straight-cut gear transmission, and a hybrid electric assist system that combines for a staggering 900-plus horsepower while improving low-end torque. The suspension is replaced with a fully adjustable pushrod setup similar to Formula One cars, with carbon ceramic brakes and center-lock wheels wrapped in semi-slick tires that are practically race rubber for the street. The exterior showcases a completely bespoke paint job using techniques from the aerospace industry. Think color-shifting chromaflare with embedded metallic particles that create a three-dimensional effect as you move around the car. Inside, the entire cabin is reimagined with a fighter jet-inspired cockpit featuring carbon fiber racing seats, a digital dashboard with augmented reality integration, and a biometric driver monitoring system that adjusts performance parameters based on your driving style and even your heartbeat. The entertainment system includes satellite connectivity, a recording suite that captures your driving sessions with multiple camera angles, and a custom audio configuration that can either deliver concert hall sound or be completely silenced. When you want to enjoy the engine's symphony, this is the 570S reimagined without constraints, a true hypercar evolution that's completely unique in the world. Transforming the 570S into a concept car means embracing futuristic design language while pushing technological boundaries beyond what's typically possible in production vehicles. The exterior receives a complete redesign with flowing organic shapes made possible through 3D printed panels and advanced composite materials, featuring active surfaces that can change texture and even color through embedded chromatic polymers. Lighting becomes a crucial design element with ultra-thin LED strips creating signature patterns that enhance both visibility and aesthetics, while conventional mirrors are replaced by high-definition cameras feeding to interior displays that eliminate blind spots entirely. The powertrain is reimagined as a compact hybrid system combining the V8 with multiple electric motors, enabling torque vectoring so precise it can adjust power to each wheel thousands of times per second. The concept car approach transforms the interior into something from science fiction, with traditional controls replaced by gesture recognition, holographic displays, and surfaces that provide haptic feedback only when needed. Seating positions are reimagined with a more central driving position inspired by McLaren's F1 Supercar, while passenger accommodations can reconfigure based on use case scenarios. The materials palette draws from sustainable sources like recycled carbon fiber, mushroom leather, and transparent aluminum components that showcase the engineering beneath while maintaining structural integrity. This concept build represents not just what could be done to a 570S today, but what McLaren themselves might imagine for their vehicles a decade from now. A rolling laboratory of ideas that pushes car culture forward while honoring the brand's innovative heritage. We've journeyed through incredible McLaren 570S transformations, from JDM-inspired builds to no-limits extreme customs, proving that even factory supercars can become personalized expressions of automotive art. These builds represent different philosophies, cultures, and approaches to modification. But they all share one fundamental quality: the vision to see beyond what's conventional and create something truly unique. Remember those 3 amazing custom McLarens I promised at the beginning? Well, you've just seen 7 incredible transformation concepts that showcase the boundless possibilities when passion meets engineering excellence. The 570S serves as the perfect foundation for these creative explorations with its balance of performance, accessibility, and distinctive McLaren DNA. This has been Steel and Style Garage Channel, bringing you the ultimate guide to McLaren 570S modifications. If you enjoyed this journey through supercar customization, please support us by hitting that subscribe button, giving this video a thumbs up, and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Which style resonated with you the most? What other supercars would you like to see us explore in future videos? Your engagement helps our channel grow and allows us to continue creating content that celebrates the artistry and engineering of automotive customization. Until next time, remember that in the world of car modification, the only true limit is your imagination. Everything else is just a matter of execution and vision.